बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया'i वल मुरसलीन। Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? How was your Eid? I hope you all are fine. Welcome in the module 2 of our course. In this video 2.1 of our course, you will learn about the dashboard of WordPress, as we have installed WordPress in the last module 1.2 and 1.3. Today we will do how can we use our backend dashboard, WP dashboard, to configure our website. This is just an overview of the whole dashboard, of the subunits of the dashboard. Where is the post, where is the pages, where is the setting of WordPress. This video is just the overview of the whole WP dashboard. In the next upcoming videos we will do all of that things from those units, but in this video we will just overview each of the subunits. Okay, let's meet in the computer now. Thank you. Welcome to module 2 friends. Today we'll learn how can we use WordPress dashboard for website editing, website layout, for website making. I've asked for your feedback for which method you wanna go next, and I get feedback for local by Flywheel. So we're gonna start from local. Just click on the local icon on your desktop or search it from your search bar and double click on it. This will open and you have an option, select a site, then click on your website 101 skills, and you will click on site. You have options for start site option. Just click on it, then your local host, local by Flywheel, will start your site. Now its top site option is showing. It means your site is started. Now we can click on view site to view your website. Now this website is showing. We can view our website. Localhost colon 10,000 is the port number on which port our local is running. Now for login into WP dashboard, we can write wp-admin, so enter. We can come on login page. Other methods, we can come on login page, so we can write it as wp-login.php. This will also redirect on the SAM login page. Both are the SAM to access the login page. Last time we have saved our login password, so if we wanna see our password, we can click on the eye icon so that we can see your password by clicking on remember me checkbox, so that WP dashboard will not ask you every time for the password. Click on login now. You will be redirected to the WP dashboard or WP admin control panel. Yes, it's our dashboard, backend of our website, or WP dashboard or WP admin panel. We can change our appearance from here. We can change our layout. We can change our themes. Any kind of change of website we can do from our backend, from our dashboard. The real WP dashboard address for our real website will look like as mywebsite.com WP admin, but now we are doing it on local. That's why we are having localhost and then /WP admin after the port number 10,000. First of all, we have on dashboard welcome screen, welcome to WordPress screen. This is a welcome block. We have options, write your first blog, add an about page, set up your home page, and view your site. To click, we can view our site. In more actions, we have manage widgets. I'll show you what are the widgets and how can we use them. Then manage menus, turn off comments, and getting starting a button. We can dismiss it from this button. After that, we have an option site health status. From that, we can see our critical issues about our website. Site health process, we have site health status. We have 3 recommended improvements that you should improve in making our website. We will go in details of all and we will address them all. As third is HTTPS. What is HTTPS? HTTPS is when we install SSL on our website to get secure, as the website is trixo.co.uk is HTTPS based website. That means it is having SSL installed. Now we can see it from our local bar. Yes, we can see its SSL certificate by clicking on its lock icon, then certificate information, and issued by Cloudflare. HTTP version is not liked by Google now, so it's recommended to install HTTPS. It's available on tools, but now we are on dashboard. After site health status, we have it's showing health. Quick draft is something we didn't publish, but we have in draft. As we can write, I'll post you later. Something we wanna post it later, but we don't publish it now. So we will save it as a draft, or something is on our memory, or we probably think that we will forget it. So we write it in our draft, so we can use it later. After that, in activity, we have our recent activity here. What recent actions done on our website, as someone commented on our website, or something else like this. 1 month skills, and if we wanna visit our website, we just hover on the website, and after clicking on control, we click on it. We are showing the website by default of hello world page. Recent comments, we are showing that by default comment is showing, as this comment is showing on our website. Yeah, this is the comment showing our person. And if we want to do some more comment, let's do a comment. Hi is my new comment, and just publish it, and just go to dashboard and refresh it. Now it's showing here from Jawad on hello world is my new comment showing. And there are some categories of approved comment, and we can filter out some spammy comments, and we can suggest our website not to show any comment on the direct website, so that after our approval, first comments will need to collect in our website backend. Then those comments which we approve only shown to our website. Not all the comments should show on the website. After that, we have WordPress events and news. In this tab, we are showing WordPress news and events from WordPress.org or WordPress.com. Their news, their new versions, their conferences they're holding, their events they're managing in Pakistan or anywhere in the world. So we can shown in this tab. We can drag any of the box here. In screen options, we are having all of the box options, which boxes we want to show or which boxes we want to hide. As the welcome box is showing, if we uncheck the box, the welcome box will disappear from our dashboard. As site health status, if we don't want it, we can uncheck that box. At a glance means the summary of your website, how much posts you have, how much pages you have, and how much total comments you have on your website blog. So at a glance is showing all of the summary of your website. If we don't want it, we can uncheck all of the boxes, so we have an empty dashboard. So by clicking each of the box above, we are having all of the screens boxes showing. So this is all about screen options. After that, we have an option tab. We can click on that. We have overview, navigation, layout, and content tabs here. In our overview is written welcome to WordPress dashboard. This is the screen you will see when you log into our site and give you access to all the site management features of WordPress. You can get help for any screen by clicking the help tab above the screen title. It's also have the documentation on dashboard you can read, and it's recommended for you to read that documentation. WordPress.org, that's the sport article dashboard screen. It's very helpful. It will very helpful for you to read out all the content here. You can read it. You can read all of the help needed from WordPress.org from here. After that, you have a support button. Support means you have an issue regarding to WordPress core files, or you're facing with WP dashboard. So you can go to WP support. Here you can search for your related problem here, and sometimes it happens that your problem might be addressed earlier by someone else. So if you search for your problem, you might get your problem already solved here. And if you didn't find any solution, so you can create a ticket to support, so that anyone from their teams or anyone from their member can answer your question or query. Okay, after that we have a navigation option. Navigation, we have that navigation bar. The left hand navigation menu provides links to all of the WordPress administration screens with sub-menu items displayed on hover, as we have in the left hand side. We will discuss it in a few minutes. Link is in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Connect your dashboard and the front end of your website. That is toolbar, the upper toolbar. This will connect your website and backend layout. It has a new option we can do here, new post, new page, or we can add any new thing from here. After that, we have layout option. Here is a screen options, drag and drop, and box controls. In a content, as we have seen at a glance, welcome, WordPress event and news, activity, quick draft, and at a glance, as we have seen in at a glance is summary. Now this has our dashboard home page. Now we have seen our screen options and help options. Now let's get started into your navigation tab or dashboard tabs, all of the tabs. First of all is home tab. After that we have updates tab. When we click on updates tab, so here we have all of the updates which are available for us. Now as we have seen, our 2020 theme is have update available. 2020 theme is by default their theme as 2020 for this year, and in the next year inshallah they'll introduce as 2021. So they'll keep on introducing their own themes by years. After that we have a post tab. In that tab we have all of the posts available, so we can add a new post from here. Or we have hello world old post by default when we install the WordPress. We can edit it by quick editing it. We can edit it on the go from here. And from trash button we can delete or trash, and from view button we can view our post. When we click on that, we can view our post. After that we have add new, and we click on add new, or we will redirect to the add new post page. So here, from here we can add our new post. We will do it later on the next videos. After that we have categories button. In categories we have all of the categories of our posts. We can have multiple categories for the posts. As we have a news website, we can have categories like latest news, like weather news, like area wise news. So we will make categories soon, inshallah. After that we have tags option. We can add tags to our posts, so we'll discuss later. After that we have media tab. In media tab we will have all of the data here, like we upload our photos, we upload images for website, we upload PDFs, all of the files, media files, those will show here. As we can upload when we click on add new button, this will show a pop-up. We can upload our files from here. By select files, we can upload our files here. After that, add new is the same. Pages tab is where we can add all of the pages. All of the edit pages will shown here, and as we make our pages, like contact us, like privacy policy, like sample page is already here by default. In pages, by clicking on add new, we can add new page. After that we have comment tab. In comments tab we can see all of the comments on our website here. So we can see all of the comments here. After that we have appearance tab. In appearance we have many tabs. First of all is themes. Themes tab having all of the themes we have installed in our WordPress. By default there are 2017, 2019 and 2020 theme which is active. We can click on theme details, and if we want to delete them, there is a delete option, so we can delete them, and by pressing OK the theme will disappear, delete from there. I'll tell you later how can we add the theme. In customize tab we can customize our theme. We can change its site identity, like site title, like its tagline, as it's showing now, just another WordPress site. We can change it into 101 skills course demo, 101 skills course demo website. So it will, when we publish it, it will change it from here, just another WordPress website, to 101 skills course demo website. After that we have colors, website colors, theme option, and all of them we will see in detail in later when we do our theme customization, inshallah, next in our course. After customize viewers we have a widgets option. Widgets are the blocks where we can add it into footers, in the sidebars, but it will depend on the theme available. Yeah, we are using the theme has options to show widgets. Theme allow widgets to show in footers, in sidebars, or wherever the theme allows them. But widgets are the code blocks. We can use them in our spaces, like we are push this calendar to footer and save it, and after we have after that when we refresh our website, that widget will show in here, and this is showing, calendar is showing here. Now if we also give it a title like 101 calendar, save, and then it will show the title above the calendar, that 101 calendar, that's it, is showing here. We'll see them in detail inshallah when we cover widgets. Now after that is menu tab. In menu tab we will having all of the menus available. In drop down we have all of the menus, and so from where we can rearrange our menu items. Like here we have home, about, blog and content, and we can add or remove any of the tab from here in menu. From save we have a save button, and from delete we have a delete button. We have a drop down menu. When we have multiple menus, to select specific we can select that drop down menu and then select to edit. After that we have option of create a new menu. From there we can create new menu, and after that we have manage locations. So we have where to put that menu. We have desktop horizontal menu, expanded menu, mobile menu, or some social menu items. So we wanna show them in specific locations. So from here we control the location of the menu. After that we have a background option. If you click on that, we will again go to the customize page. In background option we can select the background for our website. We can choose an image, or we can choose a color. In the last we have an option of theme editor. I'll not recommend you to use that theme editor in start, because theme editor has all of the editing options. So the theme is also, the WordPress is also showing us a warning option that you should not go here after if you don't have any coding skills. So it's a good idea to make a child of the theme and then make changes in the code, so that when we done something wrong we can move onto our original theme. But if you are a IT student, or you know PHP, you know coding, then you should go here and you can see all of the files, how the WordPress works, how the files are arranged in theme editor. Like here are all of the main files, like theme footer, like footer.php. When we click on it, we have all of the footer coding here. If you know the PHP, if you know the coding, yeah, you can come here and see how the WordPress coding works. After that we have plugins options. Plugins are the extra features of for the website. We can add multiple plugins for each website. We can add plugins according to our needs. Yeah, plugins give us some extra controls, some extra features. So we will add plugins later on when we will do our complete website inshallah. Add new button as the option to add the plugin, and plugin editor gives us the feature to edit any of the plugin by code. After that we have a users options. In users we have all of the users, and now we have only one user of Jawad. By add new user, we're having the option to add a new user: administrator, role editor, author, contributor, subscriber. We can change every role. We can add any of the role user here. Your profile, by clicking on your profile we can see our profile. We can see our profile here, or we can show our user's profile here: username, first name, second name, and all of the details of the user. We can see it here. After that we have tools, some available tools. The tools are come with the themes, sometimes just with plugins. And import, we are option to import from any of the other CMS, like Blogger, like Live Journal, like we can we can import from Tumblr, like we can import from other WordPress blog. So export option will give us export option is an option to export our content, our website or blog. So we can export our posts, our categories, our pages, or media files, or whole of the website we can export. After that, site health, we have seen it earlier in the video. After that, we have export personal data, and if you want to export some personal data, or if you want to erase some personal data. After that, we have a settings option. In setting, there is general settings like site titles, tagline, like what will be the URL address of the website, what will be the administration email of the admin of the website. All these things will lie in general settings. Also, we have a date format, how the date will show on our website, how the time will show on our website, and when will the week starts. Week will start from Monday or some other day. So after that, we have writing options. In writing, we have a default post category if we do website meta writing. After that, we have permalinks. Permalinks is a good option related to the SEO, how our pages, how our posts will show in the URL. It's a good option, or it's always a good option to make your URLs Google friendly, make your URLs user friendly, so that anyone can guess by looking at the URL that what would be in the URL, what will be the content of that. Post name is by default, and we will recommend that post name settings. After that, at last, we have a privacy policy. So here we have to select a privacy policy page for our website. We can make our website's privacy policy page by our own by defining our privacy policy terms here. So we have to give here that page address, that page name. So viewers, today we have done overview of our dashboard, of WP dashboard, the how can we use that, how we used it to, how will we use it inshallah to build a website. This is just an overview of the whole of the settings, whole of the navigation bar, and the home items. And in the next lecture, we will start from posts. We will do some new posts, and I'll show you how to do a new post, and I'll show you how to add categories and how to do posts in some categories, and inshallah will show you and inshallah will show you how can we show up the categories on our website in the next few lectures. Why we use tags and how can we use the tags. Okay friends, if you have any query in this lecture, or you have any confusion, or if you are not understanding any of my point here, so you're welcome to ask any of the question here. You can ask a question through email, you can ask the question in comment, or you can go to fb.com/yt11skills, and this is my specific page for this course. So you can ask any question. I have discussion tabs here. I've opened all of the discussion tab for each of the video, so that you can come to a discussion tab of any specific video and you can ask questions related to that video. Okay, I have discussion tabs for each of the video here, so that you can ask questions from any video tab, and you will be inshallah answered as soon as I get them. Okay students, this is discussion tab for 1.3, discussion tab for 1.2. okay viewers, that's all for today, and we'll meet inshallah in next video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends and the students around you. Thank you very much for seeing me.